A red line has just been drawn, and this time it's not on the map but in diplomacy, and it could decide whether the whole region it moves towards peace or slips back into the conflict. In a strong and unmistakable message, Iran has made it absolutely clear that there will be no talks with Donald Trump under current conditions. Tehran has set a key demand. Any ceasefire must include Lebanon. Without that, negotiations will simply not happen. Wait, that's not a minor condition. It is a firm position that is already shaking a fragile diplomatic setup. This particular development, it comes at a time when a two-week understanding between the US and Iran, it was beginning to emerge, reportedly with mediation effort from Pakistan. Now, for a brief moment, there were signs that tension might erase. Reports even suggested that an Iranian delegation could travel to Islamabad for talks. But now Tehran has completely denied sending any delegation, shutting down those expectations and signaling that no back-channel diplomacy is currently underway. Wait, the reason behind this hard stance lies in the ongoing military situation. Iran has clearly stated that it will not enter negotiations while Israel continues its strike in Lebanon, particularly against targets linked to Hezbollah. Now, for Iran, Lebanon is not a side issue, it is a central part of the conflict. In its view, a ceasefire that ignores what is happening in Lebanon, it's incomplete, unacceptable. And adding to the tension is the growing confusion over what the ceasefire actually includes. Signals coming from different sides, they are not aligned. Some statements from Washington suggest limited terms here, while indications from Israeli leadership point somewhere else. The lack of clarity has made the situation more and more fragile, with Iran now demanding clear terms before any further steps are taken. Now, in such a sensitive environment, mixed messages, they are risky. They can quickly lead to miscalculation. And yes, at the very same time, Pakistan, which has been attempting to act as a mediator, has issued a warning that continued violence and uncertainty, it could derail peace efforts completely. The concern is that if the current situation continues with the ongoing strikes and no agreement on the ceasefire terms, well, the opportunity for dialogue, it may disappear altogether. The stakes are now much higher because this is no longer just a bilateral issue. It involves multiple players across the region, and any escalation could spread far beyond the immediate borders. Well, Iran's position is now very clear. No negotiation, no talk, no diplomatic progress until and unless Lebanon is included in the ceasefire framework. So this leaves the entire situation at a very, very critical point. The question now is whether the US and Israel, they are willing to adjust their approach just to include Lebanon in the ceasefire terms, or whether they will continue their current strategy or not. If neither side changes its position, the risk of further escalation, that becomes extremely rare. At this time, diplomacy is hanging by a thread, and one resolved or maybe unresolved demand, it could determine whether the whole region moves towards stability or deeper conflict.